Hey, it's Saturday and I'm not feeling too hot. I don't know. My throat is acting up again and I'm really not doing anything interesting. I'm crossing off the list of apps for my computer. But I think I will actually try to get some kitty time later. So I'll try to film him a lot for you because he's the cutest. But also, I have no idea why. I mean, I've always used Chrome. And sometimes I have had problems with it, with the Flash player and whatnot, but no matter what I did yesterday, I was up till 2 a.m. and I tried to get YouTube videos to play, but it would just get stuck on the little load circle thingy. At one time it played the ad, but it still wouldn't play the YouTube video, and I tried to research what it could be, and I activated, deactivated in the settings, all these things like video accelerator or machine accelerator thingy, whatever it was called, and it wouldn't work. So I was like, okay, does the video work in Safari? No. I heard the sound, but it wouldn't display a picture. I tried in Firefox, and it works in Firefox, so I guess I have to use Firefox now. Anyway, on to installing everything. Do you know any other cat that enjoys his box? Well, maybe there are a lot. Hey, he's so lazy. I don't think he likes the cold very much. You sleepy? Sleepy? Ever since my mom put the bell on him, he hasn't been able to catch as many birds, so maybe he's depressed. He would bring in all sorts of things. Wanna play with me later? After I take a bath? Maybe? Such a slow Sunday. I am so tired, I can't even. I had a lovely bath. The cat was really camera shy, so he didn't want to show up too much. He was so lazy. But I actually went ahead and got some books that arrived in the mail. So I thought I would open them and show you what I'll be reading, hopefully. I still have some books that I haven't finished at the moment. The English title is The Buddha in the Attic by Julie Otsuka. I wanted to buy the English version, but it was like 3 times more expensive than the Swedish one, so Sorry, I went with the Swedish one. And I got the last Omnibus of Cardcaptor Sakura, which is one of my favorite animes, and I've really been looking forward to reading all of the manga. And also I got Yeonmi pack In Order to Live. I just saw this on the front page and I was like, yeah, I have to get this. Oh wow, there's like photos in it and everything. I'm really looking forward to reading it. I think I saw a speech by her and I mean I was crying, bawling my eyes out. That's the problem. If I go to a book site I will want to buy like... I actually had one more book on order but it was back ordered so they cancelled that one and give me a refund. I hope you guys are doing great and have a bit more of a creative Sunday than I've had. I'm just so tired today, I can't even. I'll probably do some homework or something. Most likely just mess around with my computer. I hope my vlogs will be up soon. It feels so bad. Like I had gotten into the routine like I would edit every day and stuff, but it's a little bit harder now. But hopefully it will sort itself out. So I bid you good night and let's have an awesome week next week.